Hello friends, welcome to this new video. This is about finding the zeros or the roots of a polynomial. So whenever you have been given a polynomial and you are asked to find the zero or the root of a polynomial, you have to actually equate this with 0 and find the value of x. Find the value of x or whatever the variable is over there. So just to summarize here, the 0 or the root of a polynomial, 0 or root of a polynomial is the value of x at which the polynomial is equal to 0, at which the polynomial is equal to 0. Now we'll solve a few examples here around how do we find the 0 or the root of a polynomial. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. So what is given to us is fx is equal to x minus 5, and I have to find the 0, so I have to equate this with 0. This implies that x is equal to 5. So at x is equal to 5, this polynomial will be 0, and this is the root, or this is the 0 of the polynomial fx equal to x minus 5. If you put x is equal to 5 here, what you get is 5 minus 5, which is equal to 0, which is exactly what you wanted to derive. Why this is useful is something that you'll learn much better in quadratic equations and higher order equations, because then you'll be learning about graphs and where the graph or the curve of a function touches the x-axis. But that is very complicated. Right now, let us just focus on how do we find the 0 of a given polynomial. Now let's take the second one. It says fx is equal to 2x minus 5, and I have to find where will it be equal to 0. So this implies that 2x is equal to 5, and this implies that x is equal to 5 by 2. So this is the 0 or the root of this polynomial. Let us take another example, and this time let us take an example such that we are playing only with variables, which is there are no numbers here. So I have to find the 0 of this polynomial. So this will become equal to 0, which implies that cx plus d equal to 0, which implies that cx is equal to minus of d, and this implies that x is equal to minus of d by c. So at this point, that is x is equal to minus of d by c, this will be equal to 0. Now let us look at another example. This is slightly more complicated than the previous one. We have to find the 0 of this polynomial. So this is equal to 0. Now if f of x is equal to a of x, which is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or x is equal to 0, or both a and x are 0. Now I have to actually find the value of x where a of x is equal to 0, and that condition is satisfied by this part. So f of x is equal to a of x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0. So this is the solution to finding the value of finding the 0 or the root of a polynomial. So remember this well. Let me know whether you like the video or not, and do like, share, comment and subscribe for more such videos. I'm asking you to subscribe because I upload new videos at 8 p.m. every night. Till then, keep working hard. God bless, and